Hey everybody, today I'm going to unbox this little play microwave, my first microwave by Boley, I don't know how you pronounce it, but I found it on Amazon and it was just over $20, about 21 something, with Prime, next day shipping. It requires 2 AA batteries. Let's get into this. So, like it comes, must have batteries in it already because it's got this little pull tab. It's wrapped in this little plastic thing. And let's unwrap that. Okay, so it also comes with, the bun! Cute little hot dog and a hot dog bun. Little plastic croissant. And a hamburger that comes with the beef, the cheese, the lettuce and tomatoes. You can stack it up. Let's get all this out of the way because I want to see this. Cute little thing. It's got all the buttons. Rotisserie. Let's pull the tab out. Ooh! Cute. See the little digital red clock? Each one's kind of a different time. Let's get this started. So it goes pretty fast. It's not an actual minute. But it's spinning. Oh, it's almost done. All done. So yeah, I like how it beeps like that and it goes faster. Very cute. That is perfect. That is exactly what we needed. And again, I found this on Amazon. This is Boley. I still don't know exactly how to say it. Boley. It was about 22 bucks on Amazon. I will leave the link below. Comes with these cute plastic foods and the little microwave. And it is perfect for what we need here on Little Buddy's Learning Playhouse. Bye!